Hi there, my name is Ruth Carol and welcome to today's YouTube video. So today we are in Nakuru County and we are installing a solar PV system on a residential house. So join me as I take you through the whole process. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and leave comments. If you want to get notified every time we publish a video, just click the bell icon down below. The first step will be assembling the batteries in the battery rack. We will then connect the batteries and later connect them to the inverter. After the inverter is powered, we will do a test to see if it is in good condition. Next will be to mount the solar panels on the roof. Then finish up the wiring and do the final connection to provide power supply to the house. There you go, the light is on, the connection is complete and everything is in good condition.